My name is Adrian Benavides po. Para po sa lahat ng candidate po, kung kayo po ay nanalo bilang senator, paano nyo po ito mailalatag ang mga batas na naisip nyo para mas maisaayos ang bansa natin kung magiging presidente ay hindi nyo kaalyado?
Oh, an interesting question. Can all four of you answer it, but in less than 30 seconds each? Pwede ba?
Pwede po.
Let's start with Levy first.
Well, we can constructively work with any president, no? As long as we agree on certain platforms. Sa akin po, I want to advocate for a legislated 50-year development program that regardless of who is elected as president, hindi niya mababago. That is the only way that we can tie resources and the attention of the bureaucracy for the fulfillment of these programs. Ang nangyayari po kasi sa atin, every year, nagbabago ang ating programa. Pero kung meron tayong long-term na programa kagaya ng legislated 50-year development plan, magkakaroon tayo ng sustainability. No? So we can focus on education, agriculture, environmental protection, creation of livelihood opportunities, etc. Thank you.
Thank you. That's within the 30 seconds. Go ahead, Greco.
Yeah, you know, you have a point. Napakahirap magtrabaho sa isang tao na hindi naniniwala sa'yo or galit sa'yo. But there are ways to work with anyone. However, the truth must stand out and we must stand for what is right. Sa akin pong, for me, alam nyo, nung sampahan ko ang pork barrel system, wala naman akong pwesto eh. Pinagtawanan ako ng lahat ng mga tao at sinabi, sino ka ba? Pero naipanalo po natin yan, unanimous 14-0, 3 beses, wala ho sila na nakuhang boto. Hindi pa ho ako senador noon. Subukan nyo, senador ako.
Okay, on cue. Lorna, you got 30 seconds as well.
Alam nyo, ang magaling na senador, kayang-kayang magtrabaho miski na sinong presidente man yan. Ako yun. Kailangan po maintindihan natin yung konsepto ng separation of powers. The Senate makes the laws, the executive department executes it, and the Supreme Court makes sure that both follow the rule of law. So if the senator makes the policy, regardless of who the executive is, it must be followed. And you have the Supreme Court to ensure that there is rule of law in this country. I will work with any president.
Cut you. You will. Okay. Thank you. Now we go to Secretary Padilla.
Thank you.
30 seconds.
Energy or power is like music. It goes beyond politics. Ibig sabihin, kapag kuryente ang pinag-uusapan at energy, everybody is interested. Kailangan lang nilang maintindihan. Siguro wala lang nag-explain na maigi. I feel that whoever sits as a president will take energy as a priority. Hindi po pwedeng hindi niya tugunan ito ng pansin. And I'm confident pag na-explain ito, lalo na kasi wala namang budget, these are all policies. Minimal expense to the government, just change the law. I feel that everybody will listen because energy is universal.
Fantastic. Thank you.